नमस्कार। आज का टॉपिक है पैकेज ऑफ प्रैक्टिस ऑफ मेज क्रॉप, जस्ट जनरल नॉलेज रखने के लिए जियामेज, फैमिली ग्रेमिनी, morphology, growth and development of maize. Just like this example, root system. The plant has properly branched fine root system under optical condition. The total root length, excluding the root hairs, can reach 1500 Newton. Leaves. The 8 to 20 leaves that may be from are arranged spirally on the system, and they occur alternately in two opposite rows on the stem. The maize leaf is a typical grass leaf and consists of a sheath, ligule, auricle and blade. The leaf blade is long, narrow, undulating and tapers toward the tip and is glabrous to hairy. The leaf is supported by a prominent midrib along its entire length. Inflorescence. Male and female flower are born on the same plant as separate inflorescence. Male flower are born in a tassel and female flower on a ear. Generally, female flower is also known as silk and male flower is known as tassel. Maize ear. The maize ear, the female inflorescence terminates one or more lateral branches, usually halfway up the stem, bracket enclose the ear. The silk of flower at the bottom appear first and thereafter those on the upper part of the ear. It remains receptive to pollen for approximately 3 weeks, but after the 10th day, respective days. Growth and development studies for the maize crop. Different growth stages are numbered 0 to 10. Growth stage 0 lasts from planting of the seed up to when the seedling is just visible above the soil surface. Growth stage 10 is reached when the plant is biologically mature. Growth stage 0 from planting to seed emergence. Growth stage first for leaf completely unfold. 8 leaves completely unfold. Growth stage number 2. Growth stage number 3, 12 leaves completely unfolded. Growth stage number 4, 16 leaves completely unfolded. Growth stage number 5, silk appearance and pollen shedding. Growth stage 6, green mealing stage. Growth stage 7, soft duff stage. Grain mass continues to increase and sugar are converted into starch in this stage. Growth stage 8, hard duff stage. Sugar in the kernel disappears rapidly. Starch accumulates in the crown of the ear of the kernel extended downwards. Growth stage 9, physical maturity. When the kernel has reached its maximum dry mass, a layer of the black cell develops at the kernel base. Grains are physiologically mature and only the moisture content must be reduced. Climate and soil. Climate. Maize can be grown in temperate highland, tropical as well as subtropical region. The crop is susceptible to waterlogging conditions which need to be avoided. A moderate temperature, adequate moisture are basic need of maize crop. Soil. Maize require well-drained sandy loam soil with organic matter. It thrives well in soil pH between 5.5 to 8 pH. Sowing time and land preparation and manuring. Sowing time. Kharif season crop. Seed is sown in the month of March. Rabi season crop. Seed is sown in mid of October to middle of November. Land preparation and manuring. A well-prepared flatbed which has given 4 to 5 deep plowing provided an ideal condition for sowing of crop. Just like this. FIM or compost 5 ton per hectare. Nitrogen so 120 kg per hectare. Phosphorus P2O5 60 kg per hectare. K2O 30 to 40 kg per hectare. जैसे कि आपको पता है कि मेज क्रॉप एक जनरली खरीफ सीजन क्रॉप है। जनरली नॉर्थ इंडिया के अंदर जून टू जुलाई महीने में इसकी सोइंग की जाती है। और फील्ड प्रिपरेशन इसकी मंथ ऑफ फरवरी टू मार्च में कर दी जाती है जनरली, लेकिन साउथ एरियाज के अंदर रबी सीजन क्रॉप्स के अंदर अक्टूबर टू मिड नवंबर में इसकी सोइंग करते हैं। लैंड प्रिपरेशन है मैंने 3 प्रैक्टिस लैंड प्रिपरेशन के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है, प्लॉइंग, हैरोइंग, लेवलिंग। Under plowing condition, ambiplow are used for the cultivation या field preparation of field for the sowing crop. Next slide. Method of planting. Seed treatment. Treated with the Pavestrin at the rate 3 gram per kg of seeds before sowing in the field. Depth of sowing 4 to 6 cm where maize is generally sown on flat bed. Spacing 70 to 25 cm for row to row. Row to row spacing 70 cm. Plant to plant 25 cm. Plant density 66,666 per hectare. It is plant population. A healthy seed of 20 to 20 kg required for cultivation in 1 hectare of land. 1 hectare of land is seed is required for sowing 20 to 20 kg. Next slide. Interculture operation and irrigation. Interculture operation is the best, is the most important cultivation in the crop, just like thinning, weeding. These are the interculture operation. After the interculture operation are those operations are doing after the sowing of crop. Interculture operation. Thinning should be done after 10 days of germination, keeping on 1 plant per hill. At knee-high stage, about 35 days after germination, the crop plant should be earthed up, followed by light hand weeding. The second earthing up should be done 60 days after germination of the crop. Thinning. What is thinning? Thinning is removal of extra plant, maintaining plant spacing, removal of diseased plant, removal of weak plant. Main object of thinning is maintain plant proper plant spacing, just like row into row, plant into plant. At knee high stage, weeding. Weeding is another interculture operation, interculture practices just like defined or weeding and removal of unwanted plant. This is known as weeding. What is weed? Weed is an unwanted plant is growing in main crop. Irrigation. For Kharif maize, irrigation at nearly early knee-high stage, tasseling and 50 silking stage are to be given. For Kharif maize, irrigation at nearly knee-high stage. First irrigation knee-high stage, second tasseling and 50% silking stage are to be given. For Rabi maize, first irrigation is to be applied 3 to 4 weeks after seedling emergence. Subsequently, at 4 to 5 weeks till March and thereafter at 1 to 2 weeks interval. Variety for maize crop, hybrid variety, Ganga hybrid Makka 5, Himalaya hybrid Makka. The composite variety Prabhat, Dhaval are specially recommended for the cultivation in northeastern hill region. The variety of QPM. QPM is full form Q quality protein maize. HQPM high quality protein maize. Free and baby corn HM4 are also found to be suitably grown in the district. Plant protection. Maize stem borer. The larvae attack the crop from June to September. First, they scrape the leaves and they bore into the stem, thus resulting in deaded heart of the central shoot. Control. Application of endosulfan. Just endosulfan is normally banned, not used in control of maize stem borer. Monocrotophas 36 WSE at the rate 2.275 ml per hectare in 125 liter of water by starting spray 2-3 weeks after sowing. Application of neem-based pesticide like Margosa at the rate 22 ml per liter of water are found to be beneficial. Armyworm and silk cutter. These insects feed on the leaves, the hull. Control for the armyworm: spray 7 carbaryl frenum 50 WP at the rate 250 gram in the 125 liter of water is recommended. Plant production management diseases are continued. Leaf blight. Medes leaf blight symptom appear on the leaves on the form of spindle-shaped, neurotic to brown lesion. Such lesions may be emerged to form large, irregular patches. Control for the leaf blight: spraying of the Indofil M45 at the rate 500 gram in 250 liter of water per hectare. Give the spray at 10 days interval. Weed control: pre-emergent application of atrazine at the rate 1 kg equivalent per hectare is recommended for the weed control. Bird damage: to save the crop from the bird damage, apply malathion 5% dust on the crops, especially on the outer rows. Harvesting and threshing of maize crop. Maize is ready for the harvesting even when the stalk and leaves are somewhat green but husk cover has dried, turned brown. Shell maize when the moisture content rises between 15 to 20%. Conventional harvester combine can be used for the threshing maize with husk to save labor involved in the husking. The maize ears should be preferably dried for 3-4 days after harvesting to improve grain recoveries and reduce breakage losses during shelling.